Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to create a video using AI tool, that is Dropshot AI. Here you can go and type Dropshot AI, then you can open this website. You can check the pricing. This one is pricing page. Now you can scroll down. Here you can see these are the different packages. So now you can switch into monthly packages. You will get 2000 credits in $6 and 8000 credits in $19. Now let me scroll down. So these are the different features and AI models that you will get. Now here you can see you can easily generate images as well as videos. So simply you need to go and click on join now button. You can easily create your account with your Google account. Okay, this one is sign up page. You can easily fill out this form. Also you can use this one, these two options. So let me select this one, first one, then select your Google account. Let me select this one. Now scroll down, then click here continue button. Okay, here you can fill out different options. Let me scroll down, then click here next button, then again next, then click done. Okay, now we are logged in. On the top you can see credits, so you can get 300 credits after creating an account. So let me close this option, and after that on the left side this one is the menu. Click here generate video. Still web page is loading. Okay, that's it. Now we have 300 credits that we need to create a video. So I want to use Seedance 2.0 AI model. Now simply you need to go and click on generate video button, this one. Okay, after that you can create the video from the reference images. Also you can create from the prompt. Now here you need to select the model. So let me select this one, Seedance 2.0. So this one is the highly powerful AI model that can create amazing videos. Okay, now you can create the frame video as well as reference to video. Now let me scroll down. Here you can add a prompt. Just you can use ChatGPT to write prompts. Then after that you can add any of the prompt here. For example, I can type here create a video for flying taxi. Then scroll down. Here you can select the aspect ratio 16:9, 9:16. Then you can select the duration. Here you can see there are the number of credits. Here you can select the resolution. So if you want to get this one 1080, then you need to upgrade. Also you can select if you want to generate a video with the audio, then you can keep it enabled. After that click this button, so it will generate 5-second video. So let's wait for a few seconds. Now here you can see it has started working on it. So guys, here you can see video is ready. Now I can play it. Okay, that looks fine. After that you can easily save this video in your laptop. You can also click on heart option to like this video. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel.